Guys, good morning. So, for today's videos, I'm so sorry because it's long time ago. Hindi ako nag-video just because of what happened to me. Yeah, but right now I'm still alive. Yeah, so I'm eating right now banana. Yeah. So currently is okay na ko and everything is fine. Everything is okay. Yeah. That's alright. Yeah, so no worries about me. About the video that I uploaded a few months ago that I'm asking how. No worries, I'm okay. Yes, so thank you for all the people are willing to help me, willing to give their blessings to me. Thank you so much. And right now, I'm good and very well good. Yes, I'm good. So, the problem lang is ng mga allergy. Yeah. That's all. Bye-bye.